What's going on, you guys? It's G30J. I'm back with another YouTube video. What the fuck are you honking at, bitch? This nigga's waiting for my fucking parking spot like a bitch. Anyways, I'm back with another YouTube video, and in today's YouTube video, I'm doing a POV drive out to LA, and yeah, let's get a little cold start on my car. Right now it's about 57 degrees out, so it's not that cold, but you know, I'll do some shit. Let's see. About my neighbors, I'm not gonna lie, they could just suck a dick, I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, let's get into the video. Finally dipping out to the fucking meetup spot with my boy DJ. I can make this turn after this shit.
Emotion, all this jewelry, she thinking my whole life a paradise. Reality, this shit a gamble like paradise. And I'm nonchalant, that's why I specialize. So if I don't answer my phone, don't tweet. Like, I just wanna chill. I'm just being real. Be calm, like, what the fuck is your deal? Pull up ain't bustin', this shit got me sleep. Word up, bro, they don't feel what I feel. I be too zooted when you be with me. Flew to Cali, got high in the hills. You hate when I tell you I'm chillin', but I swear to you.
Shit, it's that nigga. It's that nigga.
You hate when I tell you I'm chillin', but I swear to you, I'm just a chill guy. I'm taking medicine.
Alright guys, we're about to dip out to the meet. Low-key looking calm. My car is looking tough right now. Here, there's space for both of us, you're good. What is that shit? Little Volkswagen? M550i?
Them blocks tone on his K. Catch your body and fly to the A. That's what happens when you try to play. Bro, is he feeding the kid? Like, I just came from a drill. Shit getting crazy, shit getting real. I gotta stay with it, walk that still. Oh, no for pill. Me and Sav, we quick out game. Is you down for the Is you down for the stain? Don't speak on my name. Quick to let it flame.
I'm gonna end the POV here. We just got here to the meet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment what y'all want to see in the next video. But yeah, later.
Solo, don't forget the name.
Solo, don't
Every
be
out
slow.
shot, everything died. Now go for one shot to the head. You hate when I tell you I'm chillin', but I swear to you, I'm just a chill guy. Yeah, I'm taking medicine.